Hello, welcome back to the Forensic Color Classroom. We're going to show you how to do a second go over on the third coat Venetian plaster. Some people ask, well, how does it get even more shinier? This is the way to do it. So you're going to do your normal third coat. Of course, do everything in circular motions because in nature there's no straight lines. Nice and tight, everything nice and tight. And basically, if this was your real wall, you'll do 2 to 3 feet, you'll stop and come back, basically straight to the top again and redo it. Nice and tight. The same way you did underneath. Now I'm compressing this product into the nice third coat. So this is basically a fourth coat, but it's gonna make it all even. So the shine is gonna be consistent all around. So this is the way we do it in some walls, depending on the customer. My burnishing trap. I don't know where it is. All I do is make samples today. So basically you want to burnish it while it's still wet. That's very important. So remember, I hit it maybe like 12 times to be exact. You look at it. I don't know if you can see that in your monitor. Then you're gonna come back, of course. You always wanna look, come back and burnish it. Here at Forensic, all we do is we're in the sample production, inventing new styles. If you notice here, this is our sample rack. We're always here making samples. This is for a special project we're doing. Thank you for watching the Forensic Color Classroom. Till next time.
That was good.